Ohayo gozaimasu. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Max-kun desu. Still, as I said before, this still sounds weird saying my YouTube or social media handle out loud. But yeah, it's me, Max-kun desu. And yeah, welcome to another episode. Thank you all for watching again and clicking on my video. So, work week done. Finally, Saturday morning still. 11 in the morning, September 27th. So yeah, saying that date and it's still being outside, like hitting 30 degrees, it's kind of illegal. I feel like we're not gonna have any fall season this year, which I do really enjoy. I like to have all 4 seasons, but yeah, I guess it's also nice that it still is warm outside. It cooled down a bit, but yeah, it's still hot in Tokyo. So walking to work in the morning, I'm still sweating, and yeah. But hence this being nice weather outside, I'm going on a picnic this afternoon to a park. So I'm gonna be making some egg sandwiches. I think I made them before or showed them before in one of my videos, either on a shorts or Insta video. I'm not sure if I put it in one of my longer YouTube videos. But yeah, I'm gonna make some egg sandwiches, gonna make some cookies as well, which I also showed in my Insta story before, some oatmeal cookies. You're gonna see them later. And yeah. And you might wonder what this kind of contraption here behind me is. It's a projector standing on a chair, on a bar stool, standing on a shelf. Yeah, still kind of moving in after 2 months. But yeah, I ordered something from Amazon to put that beamer up here in this rail. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because they didn't have the exact measurements. So yeah, trying to put the beamer up there so it looks a bit cleaner, and then yeah, let's see how it looks. But yeah, alright, see you in the next shot. Probably making some egg sandwiches or some cookies, and some cookies rather, or whatever else I'm gonna do before I'm gonna go out. See you, peace. Alright, let's make some egg sandwiches. This looks sick. Still toasting like that. Still haven't gotten a toaster since the last video. Let's see how many vlogs, how many episodes it's gonna take until I get a real toaster. Alright, eggs are cooking. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Toast's almost done. And now I'm snacking on a Skippy peanut butter toast wrap because I got hungry while cooking. Itadakimasu. Making progress, but I'm a super slow cook, so everything I do in the kitchen I just take my time doing. I don't know why. I mean, I feel it's kind of relaxing to cook some meals, so I don't see a point in rushing. But yeah, the people I cook for, if I do so, kind of don't like that. But yeah, for that I usually need to start super early, so I don't know. I mean, making these egg sandwiches now I could have done it much quicker, but it's weekend, so I don't need to rush. I don't have any big plans anyway, so. As for the seasoning, I'll add some pepper, some salt with like some herbs in it, I guess. And lastly, most importantly, add some aromat. It's a Swiss spice I brought here from Switzerland. It can't miss on any egg related dish, so if I'm making like sunny side up or scrambled eggs or whatever, I'm always adding aromat as a seasoning. I forgot to buy more, but maybe we can squeeze some out. Yeah. After consulting with none other than ChatGPT, I'm gonna add some Chick-fil-A sauce. Delicious and delightful. Add a bit. Let me actually try a bit. Tastes good. Next up, the eggs are mixed. Now another very important ingredient is some Thai chili paste. It's not too spicy, but gives it like a nice kind of spicy touch, and I really like the flavor of it. So yeah, I'm gonna add that to one side of the two sandwiches. Have you ever tried this before? Let me know in the comments. If you have, how did it taste? How do you like it? I feel like every episode I upload here on YouTube, it's like 50% of the footage. It's just me cooking, if you want to call that cooking, but yeah. Yes. Looks good, smells good. I'm gonna enjoy them later. Next up, cookies. Those are oatmeal based cookies. So first up, 100 grams of oats, 30 grams of protein of your choice. I think recommended would be like chocolate or vanilla. 5 grams of baking powder. Next we're gonna mix this a bit. 50 grams of yogurt. You could just add like Greek yogurt or plain. 40 grams of peanut butter. 30 grams of honey. You can also add like maple syrup, for example. Would be another option. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 egg. Also preheat the oven. This kind of is an oven microwave mix, which is great. So just gonna select oven 170 degrees. The recipe says 175, but that's fine. And start. So now it's gonna preheat to 170. Next up, to add a bit of more kind of a fruity berry flavor, crushing into the dough. That's it. I'm gonna put them in the oven. All right, oven's ready. Briefly open, slide them in, and set it to 8 minutes and start. They look good and smell good. Gotta get them out though. And let them cool off for about 5 minutes. Yosh, ready to leave. Packed everything. Let's go to the park. I want this.
カードをお持ちの方は、はい、レジ袋をご購入の方、商品のバーコードをガラス面にかざして登録してください。お支払い方法をお選びください。
The sandwiches come out.どうぞ。山梨のぶどうですよね。
マスカット。
マスカット。これは山梨？違う。山梨。ヘア。ない。
なし。これ違うね。
どこだろう。おいしい。Maybe I should also do a live stream at some point. Maybe not TikTok. Not really many people follow me there. For all the Doraemon ドラえもん fans. I never watched it. 見たことない。Let's see how this tastes. Triple meat, Tsukimi moon burger. いただきます。ここでいいよ。
もしかしたらちょっと天草さんの目の前であとよく取ってあります。犯罪だ。ありがとう。ビジェンマンのみんな可愛かった。
すごい。左。すごい。Should I get this? It is not satisfied unless it eats over 880 pounds of food every day. When it is done eating, it goes promptly to sleep. Sounds good. This one. I also kind of like it because there's no back print. どうしよう。You're gonna see later which one I got. Kuromi, 美味しそう。やばい。ちょっと怖いね。Something from Uniqlo has been bought. Pato-chan wearing the... I bought the Pokemon hoodie. Yeah, I think I can wear it like... Maybe not to work, but for sports or at home. So, yeah. Feels super comfortable. Was not too expensive. I think it was 3,000 yen. So that's nice. Yeah. No back print, which is usually like at Uniqlo. They're putting a huge print on the front and a huge print on the back, and I don't really like that. So this kind of collaboration where they just put something on the front or just something on the back. They also had some other Pokemon stuff. Yeah, I really like it. Maybe not the greatest color, but yeah, I don't really mind. It's kind of a, I don't know, bluish gray. Yeah. I think, yeah, that's it for today's vlog anyways. So, yeah, I just took a shower and gonna watch now, finally, the new One Piece episode. I heard it's super good. I haven't seen it for a whole week. I think it's episode 1144. So it's the one where Luffy and Zoro get serious. So super excited for that. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm not sure if it's it for the vlog. If there's gonna be more, you're gonna see it in a few seconds. Else, yeah, see you later. Peace.